SAT plating was started 10 years ago to research the use of special gas activation that would enable difficult polymers to be plated, PEEK, ULTEM, PPS, Mylar, things of that nature, Kapton. And we've turned into a plater in the last 3 years, and we're offering our services for plating these difficult plastics with a variety of metal coatings. For many of the rapid prototype parts, the end user is looking for more strength. They're looking for a better appearance in the prototype stage, and we can enhance all those by adding a layer of things like nickel. Nickel can strengthen an otherwise fairly weak structure, and they can actually make them very strong. The usual suspects, copper, nickel, chromes, golds and silvers are possible. A lot of people also need RFI EMI shielding to protect circuit boards from crosstalk. And again, we're not just talking about rapid prototype, we're talking about rapid manufacturing. So some people come for 1 or 2 parts, some people are coming for several hundred or even thousands of parts. And that's another thing, we can actually make rapid prototype molds more durable by adding certain metal coatings to the surface. We just started receiving calls and we were turning down half dozen companies a week who are reaching out, wondering if we would do plating on small quantities. We get a lot of people who are shocked and surprised, and pleasantly so, that you can actually add metal to these materials. Well, we've been presented with parts from microwave people, a lot of military parts, and again, they need certain electrical grounding characteristics, and we add the metals as required to simulate what a production part would be. So that's the goal, is to have it be rapid, but yet have it be conformal to a full production part.